Introducing the jewel of Siloam Springs, 802 Jillian Avenue. Discover the epitome of modern living in this pristine 2-year new home nestled in the heart of Siloam Springs. With its 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and an inviting open floor plan, 802 Jillian Avenue offers a perfect blend of comfort and style. Step inside and be greeted by a spacious living area that seamlessly flows into the dining space and kitchen, creating an ideal setting for both relaxation and entertaining. The carefully designed layout ensures every inch of space is optimized for functionality and aesthetics. The kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream, featuring elegant granite counters that not only provide ample workspace but also add a touch of luxury. The stylish dark cabinets offer plenty of storage, combining form and function effortlessly. As you move through the kitchen, your eyes will be drawn to the exquisite granite-style ceramic tile, a beautiful detail that adds a refined touch to the space. This home is a sanctuary of comfort, with 3 well-appointed bedrooms providing peaceful retreats for everyone in the household. The master suite is a true gem, boasting an ensuite bathroom that is a testament to modern design. Enjoy the convenience of a double vanity, allowing you to indulge in your morning routine without compromise. The thoughtful layout ensures privacy while maintaining a harmonious flow throughout the home. Situated in the charming community of Siloam Springs, 802 Jillian Avenue is more than just a house, it's a place where lasting memories are made. The surrounding neighborhood offers a serene environment, perfect for evening strolls and a sense of belonging. The location provides easy access to local amenities, schools, parks, and shopping, making everyday life a breeze. Experience the joys of a home that's practically brand new, where every corner reflects the care and attention to detail that went into its design and construction. From the moment you walk through the front door, you'll know you've found a place that perfectly balances modern elegance with comfortable living. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make 802 Jillian Avenue your forever home. Act quickly to secure this impeccable property and start enjoying the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Contact us today to schedule your private tour and see firsthand what makes this home truly special.